Let go. Alright. Put an air gauge on the tank. Got one on the system, but don't have one on the tank. Tara's in the shop cleaning up. Say hello, Tara. That was her. Just a gauge manifold. I was gonna put it under the pressure switch, like it came, but I don't have the adapter I need. So I'm just gonna stick it over here on the discharge side. I'm only discharging through a 3/8 inch line. I don't have, it does just fine for me, and my air tools would probably do a whole whop better if I did them the other way. I really don't like, let me get you pointed over there a little bit. I really don't like that much sticking out, but and I think I have a problem. That'll fit there. Oh, it's 1/2 inch. Well, always happens. I'll be back when I got more to show you. Here. Now we're going to screw on our bushing. Alright. Come on.
Now time to go put it on.
Yep. Hope that's right. How y'all come with us? Alright. I need a backup wrench.
Okay.
You're in the boat, shaking the camera. Here you go. Go to the top of the toolbox. Love you too, baby. There we go.
There we go. Now we're cooking. Ooh, good job.
Right there where we can see it.
Okay.
Let me get the airline. If I can get back down here and get it thread back in. This won't tell us what's in the tank until we turn the tank on, but best I can do right now. I'll get a bushing, some bushing. I need some 1/8 inch to 1/4 inch pipe thread bushing, and some 3/8 and half to, there we go. So we're at 100 pounds. So if I let that down just a little bit more, it should cut on. Yeah, right there. Give me a Phillips head. We're gonna run it up. Well, first I need to see where it cuts off at. All right, be right back.
It looks cool. Sounds cool too.
Cut off.
It cut off.
All right, what it cut off at? According to this one, it cut off at 120. So we're gonna turn it up a little bit. Turn off the double pole breaker.
Double breaker.
Hey, wait a minute. I need a safety torch.
Safety torch.
Torch with a hole in the middle. I think you have them.
Oh, you mean it's socket down like that?
No, baby, I need a torch. Bring me your torch set. No, your torch big set. Your box. Your a socket set. Yeah, learn the names of your tools, baby. Okay, now the torch socket multiple screwdriver bundle set. Baby, you ain't got but 3 sets of something in there, honey. Wrench set, screwdriver set, and a socket set. The black thing. In the black box. 2 of them just alike. There are 2 of them in the same box, same thing. I gotta get me a better motor contactor.
Here's the box. I just put my new tool up.
You know, all these are... We're gonna need the little red set out of the house. None of those are safety torches. Safety torch, the one with a hole in the center. We don't scream no more, the compressor finally cut off. And it cut off at 130.
That's good.
Yeah? Moving these people all around, they're gonna get see seasick, they're gonna go, hey, I'm getting drunk and I ain't got no liquor. I got some Captain Morgan in the house if you want it. And if you don't drink, I respect that. I don't drink. But every once in a while, I like to take a sip. Have me my drink of Kool-Aid. But Lord knows I wouldn't take a drink right now for the money. I've seen people drink. Ooh, buddy.
What?
Don't want to go up too high, but I need the high pressure line high enough to get those tires to go up to 115, up to 115. So let's see, by me raising it up, does it cut in any sooner? Yeah, I'd have to take it all up to 150. I don't want to take it up there, that regulator won't handle it. Turn the fan off. I can't hear the pop-off line stopped up again. Alright, what size screw is that? My back is killing me. That's a tiny little Torx.
Yeah, you have a tiny little torch.
Let me see it.
There you go. Is that it?
That is it, or maybe the one above it. I don't understand why. It's the one above it, baby.
Okay.
I thought it was.
Yeah, you right.
I gotta get something better than this. I want a half-inch line coming out the side with an automatic electronic gizmo that when this thing says, cut the motor off, it dumps that line quick. Just want it that way. Mine, I should be able to get what I want.
Well,
I haven't heard, it hasn't bled the line off yet. Well, you know what? Alright, stop the camera. We'll be back. And it was rattling. Well, I guess that thing's just not gonna work. It's stocked up full of oil and gunk. We've done cleaned it out so many times. Needs a new one. You see a ratchet? I mean, yeah, that'll work. Just want to tap it. Nope. It's plugged up again. But the compressor will cut on. I hate doing that. I mean,
if it cuts on, it cuts on. That's good news.
nope. Ain't gonna do it.
That's it?
I'm sitting there with 110 30 pounds on the tank, 130 pounds on the discharge line. That's blocked up, won't dump any more air out. Alright, now, get all this crap blowed out of the motor. Get it all blowed off so I don't have to mess with it. Alright, alright, let's see. So, well, if I can ever get the thing to running like it's supposed to, it says it's 16 CFM at 90 PSI and 17 CFM at 40 PSI. 16 CFM is pretty good. You can fill this tank up to 120, 130 pounds in about 6 minutes. And right now it's hot as fire because, well, compressed air, when you compress air, it gets hot from heater compression. That's how diesel works. So I'm going to go in here and call this number and see what happens. Yeah. So all we did was add a gauge, and that's it for today. We are eventually going to rebuild the compressor. I got to get on that before the parts get obsolete. I'm going to put a new bearing front and rear, new pistons, new rings. Well, I might not put new pistons unless they're cracked or scarred. But I'm going to put new rings, new wrist pins, new roll pin. New connecting rods, because there are no bearing inserts. So you have, if you want a new connecting rod bearing, you have to put a new connecting rod. So new rod. Oh, and it needs head gaskets. It leaks a little bit. You can probably pump a little bit faster. But it takes like 6 minutes to pump the tank up completely empty. That's pretty fast. When the other pump I had on it took 20 minutes. Yeah. So need bearings, and I probably need to line it up. I think Jeremy C, I think he I suggested using studs to get all the jugs in the same orientation, because there's no alignment pins, no nothing. You just put it up there and go, ooh, that looks good. And if you got a jug, a little cockeyed or something. But anyway, alright, so we put a new gauge on there. We know how much pressure's in the tank. And we have an air leak somewhere. Because, oh no, wait a minute, I let some air out, didn't I?
We can just hear. Oh, right there, you say?
No, I'm talking about a while ago.
I think so.
You think so? Oh, well, alright. I think we got a leak. It's done gone down to 120 pounds. Either I let some, I can't remember. I have to watch the video. Alright. See y'all later. Tell them bye.
Bye. See you later.
Well, this is where we come to the end. It's time to say goodbye. There's a song about that. I don't know what it is.
I don't know.
So it's either Bing Crosby or back during one of those guys' days. We've come so far, something or another.
Wait, hold on. Say it again.
I don't want to say it again. I'm embarrassed enough as it is now.
I thought I heard it before. I don't remember.
Something in life's journey. Anyway, bye. Oh, wait, I thought we did that a while ago.
We need to do it. Thanks for watching.
Thanks for watching.
Don't forget to like and subscribe.
And to click the little bell next to the word subscribe. When it pops up and tells you, do you want to receive email notifications about this channel, tick that little box. And that's the same thing as everybody keeps saying, click the bell. Don't click the bell, click the box next to the bell. Click the bell and to bring up a box. Do that.
And you'll get notified every time we
upload a video. You will get your very own special, don't hog the camera. Don't hog the camera. Your very own special notification sent just to you. Nobody else will get it but you. Because you're special.
Anyway, don't forget to give us a big thumbs up.
No, don't tell them about the thumbs down. I don't want any more thumbs down.
Thumbs up.
Thumbs up.
And
the channel really appreciates it when you give a thumbs up. Kind of lets us know that people are actually watching.
And don't forget to share our video.
Yeah, share it.
And don't forget to leave a comment and tell us what you think. And don't forget. Yeah.
Look at the camera.
Don't forget to share our channel around in our videos.
You're just being repetitive now. You're being redundant. You're repeating yourself.
Oh yeah.
And you're dirty. You got that dirt makeup on. I have to post this to Facebook so Keith Benner will see it. He calls it your dirt makeup.
Dirt makeup. You ready?
Well, it's gone down a
whole lot.
a quarter of a pound.
Got to the song shop at the channel, and
So we're going to let it go all night long. See, air leaks can leak on an air compressor. Anyway, all right. So thanks for watching. You've heard all the other stuff. See, now we gotta go in there and cut all this mess back out. This will be bonus footage. Yeah, we'll stick it in at the very end.
Okay.
You're gonna cut me off, aren't you? You do it to me every time.